Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve this question that came in GATE 2025 exam, which is related with the metamorphism. Uh, if you have any question apart from this question, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to answer that question and try to discuss with your friends and whatever you want to ask me, you can ask me. Okay, I'm ready to help you. Okay. That's why I'm making videos whenever I get time. And I will pick some selected question where you will find difficulty in understanding. I will only pick those questions. So hope you learn something from this video. So now coming back to our question is, in the isochemical phase diagram shown below, the curved arrow represents PT path. The variance at peak metamorphism is. So we have to calculate the variance. Okay. So variance is related with the Gibbs phase rule. Okay. Okay. And Gibbs phase rule is a formula of F is equal to C minus P plus 2. Okay. F is degree of freedom. F is degree of freedom or variance. Okay. C is component. P is phase. And these two represent variable like temperature and pressure. If both are varying with both are varying, we'll use both. If one is constant, we'll use instead of two we are using one. Okay, so in this question both temperature and pressure are given, so we will use two instead of one. So our formula that we will use is F is equal to C minus P plus 2. Now we have to calculate this F. Okay, where at peak metamorphism. Okay, at peak metamorphism. Our peak metamorphism where here temperature pressure is less, here pressure and temperature is increasing, here pressure and temperature is increasing, and this is the point where maximum pressure and maximum temperature is reached. So we have to calculate at this point. Okay, now we have to calculate F. For this we need C component. Components are these chemical system. Okay, that CO2 is one component, FeO is another component. Okay, so how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 component is there. And how many phases are there? So in which field it is falling? It is falling, this point is falling in which field? K field. So K is here. Okay, and in K we are getting garnet, sillimanite, cordierite, quartz and liquid. Okay, that we call as a melt. Okay, so now how many phases are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Total 5 phases are there. Okay, so how much freedom is degree of freedom is 3 plus 2, so that is 5. Okay, so our answer is 5. So now we will add some more information. We will talk about this curve. Okay, this curve, first temperature and pressure increases, and after that pressure and temperature got decreases. Okay, so we call this as a clockwise. Okay, and there is one more, we call it as a anti-clockwise. Okay, when it is reverse. Okay, so now in clockwise, what is the condition? Suppose this is our sedimentary data, we are applying force from here, means collision at plate boundary. Okay, where collision took place. Okay, like Himalayas. Okay, so now this data is going uplift, some pressure and temperature will be here, okay, and some pressure and temperature here. This here it is lower, here it is higher. Now this material is rising. Okay, now the things are getting higher now. Okay, its temperature pressure getting lower. Okay, here it is higher, here getting much more higher. Okay, now again it is going up. With this erosion also took place. Okay, if erosion is not taking place but the things that are present in depth, now if again I apply force, okay, this material, the material that is in the center here, you apply force from here to here, it will go up, it will go up, its pressure and temperature got decreased. Now after reaching at a point, now it is getting reverse. Okay, because this material is getting uplift. Okay, okay, so in this way this curve is following. Okay, clockwise curve is following in collision tectonic. First we will get pressure and temperature increases, and after that the material that are formed at greater depth and pressure, greater means pressure and temperature, due to compression that material is coming up. Okay, and a new pressure and temperature place it reach. Okay, and accordingly they have to modify their minerals. Okay, so this is a basic concept. Okay, in a similar way we are getting a retrograde metamorphism. Okay, that are reverse is the case. Okay, if you need more detail on this PTT path, one separate video, already one question already they asked in the previous exams. Okay, related with that. Okay, I will try to cover that question also. Okay, okay, if you have any question you can ask me. Okay, I will try to answer. Okay, discuss with your friends and share with your friends. Okay, thank you, hope you learned something from this video.